Hello and welcome everyone. Whenever you are on an aeroplane mode, you are cut off from the world. Today, let's learn how to use internet while being on aeroplane mode. So let's get started. Let's go to the settings. We put our mobile on the aeroplane mode. After putting your mobile on the airplane mode, let's go to the phone settings. We dial star hash 4636 hash star. It will take us to the testing button. Select phone information. Click on the radio power button. Select phone index on the top. You can either select phone 0, which is your first SIM, and phone 1, which is the second SIM. So I select here phone 1, which is my second SIM. Now we come out of it. We go to the browser and type online mobile speed test. We run the speed test. Now you can see we are getting internet, and we can use this anywhere, even in the flights. Although the phone is on the flight mode, you can remain disconnected and still be online. Don't you think this is a very amazing feature in the mobile app? So if you have liked my video, do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all my new video notifications in future. Thank you.